So for May, for the core bridge work, we're just keeping it really simple. It's just a front-back bridge. Key thing you want to look for is to keep really nice alignment, and it's 60 seconds a side. So what you're working on is really to target those slow twitch fibers and not make it too hard for yourself. You're really trying to make sure that you're recruiting the fibers that are going to stabilize the spine at a low level. So those low threshold fibers. The key problem that happens with core exercise is people do too hard a version, so they end up recruiting fibers that really are needed for major movements as opposed to stabilizing the spine. So you want to bring it down a notch and really just try and breathe smoothly through it and recruit the deeper fibers of the spine. So your basic version would just be just a normal bridge like that on the knees. You can bring the hips more in alignment. So there's a nice stack. You can come to the toes. Turn the toes over if you want to get that conditioning for the nice toe point. And then if that's really easy, you can start to bring it out. But trying to keep it more neutral than a hollow. Still protracting the shoulders so. And for the other side, short lever works well. Really trying to feel those deep fibers each side of the spine. You can make the lever longer, bring the arms up. But it's really that time under tension that we're after, and you don't want to be finishing off and feeling like, you know, you're shaking and you're really straining and you're bracing with the bigger, heavier responses. You want to get that deeper recruitment and that lower threshold fibers. Those are the ones that you're after, and those are the ones that you want to get stronger, so that way you've got more postural endurance to keep that spine nice and healthy. Enjoy 3 rounds of that, 6 minutes. It's tough, but very good for you.